Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Journey. Can you observe any difference in quality between these videos? I think most of you can't. But can you believe if I tell you video on right side has more than 6 times small size compared to left side video? So in this video, I am going to show how to reduce file size of video without losing quality. And if you are interested in this type of videos, consider to subscribe to our channel. Then let's go to the video. First, you need to download Handbrake from their website. To that, just Google Handbrake and go to the first link. Then you have to download software from their website according to your operating system. It is available for all the platforms. Then simply follow the instructions to install the software and open the software after installing. Currently, I am using older version, and if you install newest version, it will look like this. Then click open file button, select file and load file into the Handbrake. First, you have to make sure both source width and height match with output video's width and height. If not, that will crop your video. After changing the width and height, go to the video tab. After that, select MP4 or MKV. Then change frame rate to same as source and select constant frame rate. Then change the RF value because it is main factor to change the size of your video. If you move slider to left side, that will reduce the quality. And when it moves to the right side, quality will increase. As Handbrake suggests you can set RF value between 80 to 20 if the source video is standard definition. And if the video is high definition, you can set RF value between 20 to 23. For this video, I am setting RF value to 22. Then choose output file destination. Then click Start Encode button. This makes some time to encode, so that I am pause the video. After encoding, you can see queue is finished and this is the compressed video. As you can see, compressed video is about 15.4 MB while source video is 100 MB. And when playing both videos, you cannot see any significant difference between them. Also, if you have problem with installation of opening the Handbrake, you can download older version of software by using the link in the description below. If you are interested in this type of video, consider subscribe to our channel. If you find this video helpful, please hit thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have any problem, you can comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.